All right, boys and girls, I have a game for us, and I know you love games. I invited Minute Mouse to watch and make sure that you don't cheat. Are you going to be a cheater? I hope not, because Minute Mouse, he's a good watcher. I'm going to come back over here, and we're going to look. Here is Mr. Duck, and this game is called Hide the Duck. Mr. Duck's going to go in the middle cup, and I'm going to trade around these cups, and you're going to have to try to figure out where Mr. Duck is. There's nothing behind these other two cups. Just that middle cup. But you have to remember where Duck is when I trade these cups around. Do you remember which one has Duck underneath it? Did you watch carefully? Is it the first one? Nope. Is it the second one? Nope. Did you choose that one? Is it the third one? Probably not. Oh, Mrs. Parris, of course it is. It is. There's Mr. Duck. Now, we're going to play that again a couple times, but you have to stay with me and you have to clap when you're supposed to in the story. Here's our book for today. It's called Guessing Game. Guessing game. The E makes A say A. Game. Here's your words you want to look for. What and in. And when you hear those two words, I want you to either snap or clap with your hands, okay? Here we go. Let's go to the first page here. There's our first word. What is that word? It's what. I want you to clap or snap. What is in the tree? What is in the tree? That's a question mark. It's a question. Birds. Exclamation point. That shows excitement. So we should be saying it. Birds. Happily. What is in the hive? Remember, E says nothing. I says I. Hive. What is in the hive? What lives in a hive? Bees. Bees. What is in the garden? What is in the garden? A snake, probably, right? No. Look at the picture. What's in the garden? Butterflies. Butterflies. What is in the house? What is in the house? People. People. People are in the house and they look very happy. Happy people. Now right over here we have our words all set out. Let's see if we can remember which ones are which. Remember, our two words were what and in. What's it say? What? In. What? In. In. What? Let's do it faster. Ready? Do it faster than me. What? In. What? In. What? Very good. Now, because you did a good job in that book, we have one more book. Because you did a good job in that one. Let's play our game one more time, okay? Let me switch them up. Now, remember, Duck is in the end one, okay? I'm going to switch them. I'm making it go long so that you forget. Which one could it be? Which one has the duck? 1, 2, or 3? Which one has the duck? Did you make your choice? Okay, let's see. Is it number 1? Nope. It's number 2, I think. No. It must be number 3, right? Yes, it is. Again, it was in the end. I even lost track of it. All right, we'll play it again. Let's do our next story, okay? What's this say? Go ahead and guess. Play. Play. What's this one say? With. With. Play and with. It's in our title. What is it? Play. You can read this. T. E makes I say I. I'm. Time. Play time. Here we go. Now, if you see the word play or with, we're going to snap or clap. What's that word say? I play with bullocks. Bullocks. Blocks. I play with blocks. I know a lot of you love playing with blocks. I play with B-O, A says nothing, B-O-T-S, boats. I play with boats. I play with dolls. Dolls. I play with puppets. Puppets. I love puppets. I play with bubbles. Bubbles. I think the cat's having more fun than the little girl. Do you have a cat? I play with balls. Balls. Again, I think the cat's having the most fun. I play with trucks. Trucks. I play with kittens. Kittens. That's the best toy of all. They're the best fun. Look at all those cats. 1, 2, 3, 4. That is not a cat. That is a mouse. Like my mouse over there. All right, let's look at our words. Play, play, with, play. Play, play, with, play. Did you do it? I think you probably did a good job. Let's look back at my cups. All right, do you remember where the duck is? It's at the end of here. See? Duck. All right, I'm going to mix them up really good this time. There's a free glue. All right, where is Mr. Duck? Is he in 1, 2, or 3? Have you made your choice? All right, let's see if you're right. Let's start with the very beginning. What? There he is. Did you do number 1? Good job. All right, I'll see you later for a little more reading.